If kabakanin tuyag to, di kita ma-jail, di kita buon kita liable kasi justifying circumstance. So number 1 is unlawful aggression. If on aggression against us. Okay? Or pwede it could be you really think na on mag-happen kay mo mangi from pagsud nila palumbay babae mo ito di ba? So why mo sab siya yung timbak tiad-tad or pwede mo matimbak ko na siki lang. Okay? And to make yourself feel safe. Okay? Reasonable lang yung necessity. Pwede mo siya disarm or make sure it cannot cause further harm against you and your family. And then lack of sufficient propagation in number 3, ibig sabihin, you did not provoke him or her to attack you, to cause the unlawful aggression in the first place. So, not automatic na every situation, di makunta, di kita man